Hi, this is how to read a tape measure properly. As you come down to the beginning of the tape measure, you'll notice the first line. This is 1/16, and there will be 16 sixteens all the way until 1 inch. So again, you'll have 16, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 sixteens will equal 1 inch. 8, and this will be an eighth. 8/8 will equal 1 inch. So again, 16 of these small lines is a 16th. So there'll be 16 sixteens will equal 1 inch. 8/16 will equal ½ inch. See it? And there's your ½ inch, 8/16. So again, 16 sixteens, 1 inch. 8/16 ½ inch. And then we go here and we measure eighths. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. 4/8 is ½ inch. 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. So 8/8 is 1 inch. So 4/8 is ½ inch. And this is the most common that I'll measure. As a professional, you'll see it. It's 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. And then you'll go 1/4, 2/4. See it? 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. So there'll be 4/4 in an inch. If we come here, you'll be able to see the illustration better because of the front tab. So again, 1/16, 2/16, 3/16, 4/16, 5/16, 6/16, 7/16, 8/16. Remember, 8/16 is a ½ inch. Also, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8 is ½ inch. So let's continue again with the 16th. 1/16, 2/16, 3/16, 4/16, 5/16, 16/16. See it? Excuse me. 1/16, 2/16, 3/16, 4/16, 5/16, 6/16, 7/16, 8/16, and so on. See it? 16 sixteenths. Again, 8/16 is ½ inch. And this is 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. 8/8 is 1 inch. 6/8 is the same thing as saying 3/4. So the most you'll be using is eighth, quarter, and half. See it? So again, let's start here. Let's just say there's 4/4 in an inch. 1, 2, 3, 4/4 in an inch. Again, so there are 16 sixteens. See, take your time, in an inch. So this little line is a 16th. 2/16, two of these lines make an eighth. See it? 3/16, and then 4/16 make a quarter. So the most you use is the eighths. I use 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. See it? 2/4 is saying the same thing as a half. Let's show you the illustration here again with the 16. See it? 116, 216, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16. Make your inch. Excuse me, see it? 16, 16 is your inch.